So for number 7, they're asking us to calculate the first 8 terms of the sequence of partial sums to 4 decimal places. So we're summing up the sequence here. So what it means is that we're going to plug in the values of n. So we're going to plug in n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and we're going to keep summing those. So for the first sum, well, the only thing there is to sum is the first term, right? So we're going to plug in 1 in this formula. So it's going to be, it's going to be 1 over 1 plus square root of 1, which is just 1/2. And then for S2, the sum of the first 2 terms, well, we're going to sum the previous term, right? So we're going to have here S1 and then plus 1 over, not plus 1. It's going to be plus 2 over 1 plus root 2. And so when we sum these up, we're going to get here 1.3284. For S3, we begin with the previous sum. So we begin with the sum of 2, the first 2 terms, plus 3 over 1 plus root 3. And that should give us 2.4265. And then for S4, we begin with S3, and then plus 4 over 1 plus root 4. And so when we sum up the previous one, plus 4 over 1 plus root 4, we are going to get here, that is 3.7598. So for S5, we have the previous sum plus 5 over 1 plus root 5, and this one's going to give us 5.3049. For S6, we get the previous sum, so S5, and then, that should be plus 6 over 1 plus root 6, and then this is going to give us 7.0443, and then S7, we get S6 plus 7 over 1 plus root, let me just improve this a little bit, 1 plus root 7, and this is going to give us 8.9644. And lastly, for S8, we need S7 plus 1 over 1 plus root 8, and this one's going to give us, let's see, 11.0940. Okay. And so when we look at this, then it's asking us, hey, does it appear that this series is convergent or divergent? And if we look at the term, so as we keep adding, we go from 1/2 to 1.3 to 2.4, 3.7, 5.3, 7, 8, 11, and so on. So it just appears that our sum is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, right? It doesn't appear that our sum is going to a particular place. It appears that it grows without bound. So our guess is to say that that the sum of an from 1 to infinity is divergent. It doesn't get anywhere, just keeps growing indefinitely.